Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to recover permanently disabled Facebook account properly. So for this one, we're going to have to go over to my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. Now, if you believe the disablement was a mistake, you're going to have to go to the Facebook login page, enter your credentials, and follow the instructions to submit an appeal. Now, if you cannot find that, we're just going to head over to this page. And then as you can see here that your Facebook account may have been suspended because it did not follow the community standards. Now, it says here that you can clearly appeal the suspension within 180 days, but if you cannot appeal within 180 days, then your account will be permanently disabled. So if you have already undergo or you have already exceeded the 180 days before you decided that you want it back, you cannot have it back anymore and it will be permanently suspended or disabled. But if it's still under 180 days, you're just going to log into your Facebook account right here. You will be prompted to appeal the suspension within it will, instead of your dashboard, what's going to come up is an appeal to the suspension within 180 days. And all you have to do is you're going to include your government ID, clear explanation of why you think the disablement was an error, any account details you recall like email, phone, last login, and if you have Meta verified, you may have access to better support. You're going to have to monitor the support inbox in the Meta app or the web to check status as well. And then one tip for prevention, you're going to review the Facebook community standards. So it's written right here in blue. As you can see, it is written multiple times. You're just gonna have to click on that, and then you're going to review their community standards, remove any content that could violate rules, enable 2FA, and avoid using third-party apps to access your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.